Check your record. Okay, let's go here. I know I've told us, let me see like what I saw here. You see, for Celsius, right? For Celsius to be saying transfer $500 or more of Luna and get up to $600 in bonus on Celsius using one of the following promo code, then you don't joke with Luna. Wow, guys, then you don't joke with Luna. So let's quickly look at Luna. And of course, we can see the gallop in crypto have been doing. Bitcoin came down to about $37,000. You know, I said it yesterday in our general interaction that the market is not looking good. It's looking so boring. And then we're going to have boring experience. And we do have that. Bitcoin came down to 37,000. So let's look at why you do not need to Luna. I don't know, because sometimes I would say a particular coin is already too expensive, but I don't think it's worth it. We have a little kind of divergence. I'm not going to full technical analysis. Tomorrow, those of us of private placement, I'm talking of stock market. Those of us talking of, those of us in private mentorship, we're going to do more of technical analysis tomorrow by the grace of God, as God give us grace. So now let's look at it. Look at, don't worry about how the technical work. Now let me go to, okay, in a nutshell, this guy had been always beating up the top instead of going down to a very terrible red cloud. It has always been beating it up and gets very strong support with EMA rebound, always bouncing in between and jump out again to continue. Instead of it to totally dump as it were, but it will refuse to dump as it were, almost like here, something like similar to a kind of double bottom creation. And now you see a cross as if the market is taking a new trend again, even though the market ought to have done very well. So it came to $85 and then a kind of rebounding. If you do not have Terra Luna, I would advise, this is be with me. I think I'm free to advise, but don't put the triggers on my head. Either long term or immediate term, it is advisable if you do not have Terra Luna, go buy Terra Luna. Okay, let me quickly go here. Luna, okay. Now, if you look at, I hope most of us got this guy asked us to get. Of course, some did the airdrop. Is it pre-sale before? This Terrarium, this is Terra, made me to remember Terrarium. I think we bought it then. So let's watch what happened to it. It's still very cheap. I don't know. They claim to want to do a lot of things. Okay, where am I? Go blah, 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 blah. So Terra Luna. Now let me go up here. Sorry. So if a coin have a potential, or because of so many tidy around it, if a coin have a potential of bouncing up to at least up to above $300, I don't see any reason. Of course, we have a kind of double bottom by using day, and then since then has bounced up and then having a very strong, of course, a kind of resistance here. Now let me go by 4 hours candle by time. Okay. So don't think that this is a head and shoulder. It's not a perfect one, nothing like that. Now we have it bounce down. Of course, it couldn't bounce up from here and then bounce down to this second, right? Somewhere here. And now we're having a kind of little bounce up. However, it looked like fragile as it were here, but with, Celsius and other crypto platform, trying to, make out a kind of things around Terra Luna now. Well, I think we could have this, use MACD or U. So we can see a sign of a kind of bounce off here as the MACD line, the MACDs crossing the signal line, beginning to like gather some volume. And fundamentally, Terra had been very consistent in maintaining uptrend, even though it bounced within the histogram. And of course, you saw that as of the time it got dumped from here, now we'll be having a lot of favorable information around Terra. Volumes of money have been coming into Terra Luna, right? For that, you could have what we're having now. Once we're able to bounce above 103 and gain, yeah, if you want to trade just a short time, you can have what's the range? Coming. That's around 14%, give and take, right? Now, if you buy from now, you can do 14%, but that's not my target. My target is the coin long term. It has a very good ecosystem activities right now. I've told us to go and stake. If you have not staked Terra, well, I don't know, maybe I did a video on the trader for staking Terra. Then you may need to get some Terra and go to Starter. I don't have that time now. Maybe I think I've done that Starter link on our forum before. It may not open unless I send the one I have used to stake. Okay. Sorry. Okay, enough of that. The most important thing is that get some Luna. We've been saying it. Maybe over time, I create time to do another video for you to know how to stake Terra with Terra Station wallet. This is a Terra Station wallet. Okay, this is a Terra Station wallet, right? Or XDeFi. This is another wallet that's XDeFi. Most time when I do training on all this kind of wallet, I'll tell us just get it, but sometimes we do not pay attention. So where you can add up Terra into and then stake to Strata, but that's not where we are going to do that. But most important thing, I think is good for you to get some Terra. Now, the next coin I want to show is HARD. HARD. Sorry. Oh my goodness. Oh, breaking news. Okay, what time? HARD. Where are you? Okay, CoinGecko. Okay, I was going to talk of Midas, so let me quickly talk of Midas. Monitor Midas to take a return up here. okay, and it actually trying breaking out. So we need to check after this 4 hours time frame if we can have a kind of engulfing candle turning green from here, then something like this, something like this, after this, and then take off. Then we'll be waiting to break $16 and have a very strong resistance again at 17 give and take. Now we're able to break it. But to me, some that maybe they don't have or just want to trade and make some money on Midas, you can get in because I bought some at actually $13 when I saw it in the morning, creating 13 point something when it was taken up. So you can ride it up to back to $19 within few days or by give and take next week. Now we're having some favorable news and all of that, but market is very diluted though, because I have a certain market price because on Bitcoin now at 36. I said some at 37, 36, give and take. I was saying, okay, I think I was saying that yesterday. So Midas is a coin that it may take a quick recovery. The recovery, what I call it. Unlike CoinGecko. Sorry. Okay, let's go here. CoinGecko. CoinGecko. There we go. CoinGecko Heart. What's happening? Okay, let me go here. Check up. How this always showed me. Yeah, here's the two. So I saw had got a bottom down, a bottom out, as it were. I've been struggling to break up and come up. So you can get some hard. What's happening to these guys? That's okay. Okay. Yes, let's go here. 5 charts. Okay, so hard. Don't look risky though. From yes, go here. But I expect some reasonable pump on hard. Okay, I'm gonna go to my 12. Okay, now you're looking at hard to break 38. Okay, let me take Ichimoku Cloud. You, kiddo. So, as soon as it's able to break off this 38.5, now, but risking it now is good to risk to it, and you're waiting to get above 39, then you can have a ride above 41. Then why not we can get back to 45 as it were. So if you want to get some hard right now, I was actually doing some. Now I'm calling out this for just a quick box. Okay, so as long as we get up 39 cents off, then there's nothing stopping us, though, have a kind of little blow off here for the one, then you can go 44, 45. So if you are buying hard right now at 38 cents or thereabout, you can sell at 41 cent and 45 cent for sale. Now, all things can never be equal. Okay, sorry, let me use 4 hours time frame. We're talking of some days now. Okay, you can see. So this is kind of a trend reversal. Let me take off Ichimoku. Okay, can you excuse us? You say, yeah, I can. Okay. Oh, these are till. So till. Okay. Now, this is not a very perfect double bottom as well, but this is a kind of, trend reversal, but you really need to level up from here. Now, but that's why I say you can risk it. But confirmation of at 39 cents, then you can ride up to 41 and then give and take to, you can say 45. Now, if market turn around, okay, the market turn around, why not? There's nothing stopping us back over here. 50, more than 50, that's a kind of returning back over here up to time up to 60 to 68 cents as it were. But for you, maybe what to do is as you buy 41, maybe just ladder place sell, 45 ladder place sell, and then you can leave some fraction, okay? Can leave some fraction. So you can leave some fraction so that you are able to make, if eventually the market continue to move up, and you use the fraction you left. So you can buy at 38 cents now, and then continue to set your selling price immediately, all right? Then monitor this guy, looking at, okay, you may not be able to do that. So, but minders, why not? Can buy now and be watching $17. $17, okay? The one you buy just for buy and selling, you can sell at $17. If we're able to break above 17.325, then above 19, then we'll write back 21, then so but you can buy now. So Midas heard those of us who don't have Terra, Luna, you buy, okay? And yeah, I think that's what I needed to put on across. Where's this guy? Okay, so Mr. BTC is dancing some reggae, okay? Right. Okay. All right, that's anything. Okay, let's go. Go this way. Can see the journey that Mr. BTC have been running here. So we're still gonna have, we need to break 39, 40K. All right. Get a 40K. And if you are bored, like me, I was playing with it at 37. Actually was waiting at 36.2, whatever, here, 36.4. Now, it never did, but you can see those upper and lower limit, all this while here. So if we still go back to 40K and we're able to break, then we're still going to come down. Then, but if we're able to break 40K and then can right back to 42, 43, thereabout, of course, we know we are struggling at 44, 45. So if you buy now or you bought before and the moment is 41, you have to watch, probably you take profit like some did last week when there was the pump happened of that 45K, people sold and then like that. So BTC is not looking juicy, but like this is a breaking news. Was a breaking news. Okay, breaking news: the Econ Committee of the EU Parliament just voted against de facto PW ban, 32 against and 24 in favor. Big relief and political success for the Bitcoin and then cryptocurrency, crypto community in the EU. We share a breakdown, okay, of the vote the next year in this. Okay, so the trend, Twitter, you can check it. Send the link. That's actually a bullish news. So you may see Bitcoin take up to 40, and then if you're unable to break 40, we'll come down again. If we're able, then we can go 42K, stuff like that. So, but get your ad, get your Midas, and write it up. Okay, Luna, and then but let be known to you that your Luna is actually not get buy and sell, but buy and can do the video of the staking procedure, and then I'll send to us. Yeah, I think that's all for now. About what we need to buy to sell. Okay, let me check this guy. So, and I do want to believe everyone had their coins staked. Okay, this guy came down. So we're waiting for the staking of this guy. Okay. Where am I here? Okay, I think enough of that. Yeah, for now, that's all what I have for my live chat. Come over here. Okay, 15 minutes, 4 hours. Ooh. FTM. Still here. This guy really had not discovered the bottom. You did see that? So we may have something less than $1. Eventually, the market continue to go unhealthy. What should I do? If you go down more, you buy more. FTM is creating a lot of ecosystem, but it has not actually reflect in its price since. So you may need to get some. Yeah, maybe we'll wait a while, see. For a lot of sell-off, 10K. Okay. Ethereum, what of this, what of this? Okay, also, okay, it's 2 sell of 74, 79,000, 44,000, 38,000, 33,000, 23,000. There's so much box sales. Oh my God. This says 267,600 and blah, blah, blah. That's about how many Ethereum? 109 Ethereum, 31 minutes ago. A lot of sales, so much sell-off. The guy is coughing. Okay. So we may still have it down before it can take a reversal. FTM. Okay. I think that's for now what I have for us tonight. So get your hard coin. And then let's watch what happened. Okay. Statistics terrible. Search. What was the coin I was looking for? Okay. Let's see. Short. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, I think that's all for now. So do get some of those coins and let's watch what will happen from now to next 1 week or so about those coins. You can sell, make your money, and continue to. Then I'm going to send a video of the staking. If you have not staked the Terra Luna, then so if you have not staked it, I'm going to post the procedure of staking it. Okay. So guys, any question? If you have question, please ask. And because I've told us nothing to cut us unaware right now that this first and second quarter is a farming season. Anything you see, you take it. But be very careful not to waste your coins, very important. And a lot of coins too, like some of those meme token that do not have good hype around them. Of course, this is month of March. Towards the middle of month of April, when you step in, some coin may go too bloody and some will melt away. And so maybe over time, I'll tell us certain things that we need to do on probably know how to reload some of our coins back to, I've said ecosystem coin, because there's so many coins that are going to have issues, right? And then so that we will not be part of some of those coins as it were. And maybe over time we can have how much to set for maybe a repeated trading on our 3Commas boat. I know a lot of us have not been using our 3Commas boat, which is very bad. Some don't even care about it. They're quite unfortunate anyway. Okay, so go get those things. Enjoy yourself. And then congratulations, as the market is shaking a lot of people. I love it. It's part of the learning curve, man. And then when you come out of it, he's a turn to you for a testimony. Okay, guys, so enjoy yourself and see you guys tomorrow. Those of us in private mentorship. Then other video I will need to do, I will have to do them sacrificially and post to our forum on Telegram, do with me, so that you can watch some of those procedures for staking some coins. Like some of us have staked the Terra Luna since when it was $50 or thereabout, and then we know what we're getting, just like Atom. So I think enough of that. So go get all those things you need to get, and let's what will happen next few days or week thereabout. Thank you very much, everyone. Enjoy yourself.